Well, we did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So when I was a kid, when there was something to celebrate, we went to the mall and we bought a big ass cookie. So we're gonna make one today in the air fryer. Start with 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Mix it all together. Add 1 egg and a half teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it until it's fully combined. In a separate bowl, combine 165 grams of all-purpose flour with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and salt. Add the dry mixture to the wet and stir it until it's combined. Now, fold in those chocolate chips. Let the dough rest while your air fryer preheats to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's hot, throw down a liner and drop that dough right in the center. Use a second liner to press it into a thick, even cookie about a ½ inch thick. Don't throw away that liner, we're going to use it again later. Trim the bottom liner around the cookie, but leave 2 little handles so you can lift it out easily. Air fry at 340 degrees for 12 minutes. When it beeps, lift it out using the liner handles, place on a plate, throw that second liner on top and another plate and flip it over. That liner traps moisture, so we're throwing it back in for 400 degrees for another minute or 2. Take it out, let it cool for at least 10 minutes, it'll firm up as it sets. Now it's time to decorate or just demolish. When I was a kid, we celebrated with a giant mall cookie. Now I celebrate with a giant air fryer cookie. That's growth, I think. 1,000 subscribers, we did that. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Next destination, 10,000. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.